Archana Kansara completed software testing training from STAD Solution and got placed in 𝚃𝐃 Technology Private Limited. Let's hear from her side.
Hello everyone, I am Archana Kansara from Ahmedabad. I completed my graduation in BCA from RJ Patel College, Patan in 2015. After that, I have career gap and I have start career in non-IT field. Then I decided to restart my career in the IT field. One of my college professors suggested me about STAD Solution. So I decided to join STAD Solution for manual testing and automation testing. During the training time, I learned how to write test case, test scenario, bug report, FRD, BRD. And during the training, I got placed in 𝚃𝐃 Technology Private Limited as a software tester. And I highly recommended STAD Solution. Thank you, Richa ma'am, and thank you, Ajay sir.